You are what you eat. Spiritually, we generally eat through the eyes and we eat through the ears. Feasting on the Word of God, hearing the voice of God fixes everything.
Young Believers Global. Godly education